Hey guys, very good evening. I'm Karthikeya Kumar. So I just wanted to check with all of you because today evening I happened to had a call with one of my long friend, like a friend who has been there since a very long time. So when we were talking about something, at one point of time, I found that he was found to be very skeptical. That means he was not ready to believe whatever I was trying to say or whatever I was trying to exactly tell him what is exactly, like what are the things happening around. So many of us feel like we believe a lot of things, but in reality we are all very skeptical. When we try to be skeptical, what happens is it's never that easy to create a belief on someone, or we don't trust someone so easily. Now what is the turnaround then? How is that we can believe someone? How is that, how can we be a non-skeptical person? Like, how can we come out of it and try to do something? Or if someone is found that way, what is, as an individual, what is my chance now? What is it I'm supposed to do? So I was having a lot of interaction, I was having a lot of discussion with him. Then finally, somehow I could manage to get him what exactly he was expecting. But if the things are not turning around, if you find that the things are really not up to your expectation, and if you see that the people are not really going to be there with you, and when things are not really supportive, there is something you need to do on a turnaround basis. Version 1.0 is over. Version 2.0, what is it? You start playing the way it should be and create a belief. Nobody will easily believe in you. Why should someone believe? Why should someone listen to you? Why should someone trust in you? That means there is some minute factor that is missing in us. So try to identify that particular factor which creates an impression that yes, I can believe this guy. I can definitely go with this guy. He's saying something which is really believable. When you can create that kind of a trust or a factor which makes someone to stay with you, which is non-skeptical, then that's the day where we can see a lot of changes happening. We cannot exactly say that this is going to be a successful factor. When we say something to someone, there is always a 50-50 chance that they might believe you or they might not believe you. When they don't believe you, what is that we are supposed to do? Is that going to be the end for it? No, never. So what is it we need to do? We need to create that trust. We need to believe, we need to create that belief by showing what exactly they expect. It can be in the form of words, it can be in the form of actions, it can be the form of work output. Anything, whichever is possible. But just try to create that trust. Once we lose this, it's never going to be so easy. So my dear friends, everyone in this world are going to be skeptical. That it can be with the family, it can be friends, anyone to that matter. So the version what we need to learn is how to deal with those people. Even if someone says something to me, when I will be skeptical, the other person needs to think, how can I create a belief in Karthik that I'm a person like who can help him or who can be with him or who can do something for him. So being skeptical is good, but at the same time, dealing with such people where you need to create a lot of trust is something very important. So let's work on this and try to be more better in terms of dealing with people. So it's all our turn now, how we can make someone to believe in us. So be that guy who speaks. It's not about just honesty. Honesty just comes with words. But show some deliverable where people can believe you, or speak something where people can really feel like, okay, whatever this guy is going to say or has been telling me is something really actionable, and that is it can be driven into a different output. Create such environment. Create that confidence. Give that confidence to the other person where they feel like, yes, I am with this guy now. Right? So this is a very short video I thought of talking about all in terms of why skeptical is so important, like how to deal with other different sets of people who are really skeptical, right? So thank you very much, friends. Thanks for listening to me. Signing off, Karthik.